Now, we're making our own yogurt today. You alright over there? I'll be there in a minute. Put a tourniquet on it. We're filming. Not all milks work. You've got to try your milks. Okay? So this is the one I use here in the Maghreb. And here, this is the important thing. You've got to sterilise. Yogurt. Why waste your money? You know a yogurt's live. You can just add a little bit of a yogurt to some warm milk, but you must sterilise all your implements. This stuff's expensive. Wedge it in. Power of the wedge. It's not going anywhere, okay? So then all I'm doing is, this is and also if you put a wedge on the top, it breathes, because you know when you actually use a funnel, you need the airspace, and then it could, you don't want to lose. What's this shit cost over here? £2 a litre. Like I mentioned before, sterilise all your implements. So, it's got to be a bio-yogurt. This one works. I've tried all the other ones and combinations in Maghreb, but this one works. And what I'm going to do, because it's winter time now, you don't really need this much, but I'm going up the hill soon, and I want to eat it before I go up. Just like the canteen tea lady.
Jibba 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 jibba.
Yeah, and then it's just a matter of a good whisk up. Now most yogurt recipes say you've got to heat the milk first, but as long as it's at a nice temperature, it seems to work. As long as you keep a nice temperature. This is why we got the Heath Robinson bit going off over the top of the stove. Right, now into my incubator. My Heath Robinson incubator. Everything's sterile. Everything goes, the heat goes up inside, and that should take 24 hours.